creatures alongside with his brother, which is a guardian of something called the Fate. And the Fate itself contains the energy that can give the world life and resource or something like that. So basically we want to create some deep story between the main characters and his relatives, his brothers and his world. We want to create some deep connections within the characters, and we want to make the game not just we want to make people play it not just for the gameplay but also for the story. There are 4 people working in this project, and each one of us have their own role and specialties for this team. And then we are passionate about game development since we were graduated from the high school. It was a year ago, and so we basically just at the age of 18, 19.
The game control is using virtual joypad, a like rewind and button to build platform. We also can talk to the character in the main menu. Maybe you can say hi.
Hello.
And the character will respond your voice. We use a Unity game engine and a Visual Studio to develop this game with Microsoft Azure and a social service such as Facebook API and other social media.
For the sound in this game, we create our own sound and make the sound fun and great to hear. So here I use Fruity Loop Studio for creating the music. Then I master the song with Adobe Audition. I decide to make the music very fun so that you can feel like inside the game when you play that.
We want to create a game that has a good visual art style because we want to give some people a visual experience, not just from the gameplay or the level design, but also from the visual or the graphic experience. We make the character looks fun and cute, so that with the fantasy world, so that the player will feel more comfortable and feel more fun when playing this game.
In the maps of the game, you get 4 maps, which is called Green Guard, Forward, Abbey Canyon, and Dome Down. Whereas in every map or stage, it has very challenging level. You must solve and create the way for the Greeve as main character to save and retrieve the Fate back to its continent from the Greeve. To make the maps more wonderful, in this game, if you died or failed, you can rewind it and still live.
And then we're so glad to join the Imagine Cup because we have seen last year that so many great competitors from around the world, and in our country itself it's been a great competition, and then we will feel so excited about this competition. So after all, we want to create some amazing experiences with the combination of the puzzle and platformer gameplay, but also an immersive world, a fantasy world, which is big, and alongside that with deep stories. And also this game will be available on the Windows Store soon, and wait for it.